Meet Doreen and Alan, our Moat customers living in Essex. Doreen and Alan have lived in their home since May 2023 and have recently upgraded their heating to an air source heat pump. An air source heat pump extracts warmth from the outdoor air. This is then used to heat water inside your home, providing hot water and heating. Here's what Alan had to say about the changes to their home.
We're absolutely delighted with it. It works different to the other heating we've ever had because you can go into the bedroom and the radiators won't be on, but the room will still be warm. And it regulates the temperature in the house to different settings, because if it's a bit chilly in the bathroom, then the radiators will come on in the bathroom, but not in the hallway. And it works. It's a very complicated system, but it works tremendously. And our bills, we've noticed, are a lot different compared to what we used to pay.
Our customers can save up to £1,000 per year by switching to an air source heat pump. To hear more about Doreen and Alan's story, visit moat.co.uk/about us/news updates.